Hey, this is Gabe. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be making the front end, the shaft of a turning tool, and I'm just using some 1/2-inch round stock. And then I think I got this at one of the local home centers here in the US. That was Lowe's. I think I got it, and these came in 3-foot lengths. I've only used maybe a little over a foot of it or something like that in the past. And I want to make a new turning tool handle, actually a couple, but I want to link this in the description as far as for previous, or not previous, but for videos in the future. So this is a part 1 of 2, and the shaft is going to be 7.5 inches long because it's just for pins. I don't need a really long shaft. So 4 inches is going to be the depth that's going to be inside the tool handle, and 3.5 outside of the tool handle. And then I'm going to cut a divot for the carbide tool insert. I'm just going to use a round carbide cutter. So with that, we'll go ahead and get started. So tools you're going to need a die grinder of some sort to cut this right here. Safety glasses. I'm going to be using these readers, but with these glasses, safety glasses that go over regular glasses. So these are oversized safety glasses, if you will. So I've got 2 layers of eye protection plus gloves. So, and my garage is aired out. I have 2 doors. My main door is partially open and my side door is all the way open for cross ventilation. So the carbide I'm going to be using these 15mm carbide inserts that I got on Amazon. I've used these on one of my other tools and the one I just showed you, and these work really good. They weren't very expensive. All right, I marked this about 5/16 inch lengthwise and about 3/16 inch deep for a cut that we're going to make. You can see what that looks like right there. I'm leaving more on the bottom than I'm taking off on top, so I have plenty of room for the screw to attach. So the first things first is to make that a vertical slit. And if you're curious, how come I'm not using a bandsaw for this? I would if this was not tool steel. I've wasted a couple of blades already at $20-some a pop, and it just ruins the blades in just seconds. So this is the best thing to cut with if you've never done this before or used this kind of steel. All right, wouldn't you know it, I need this tap for the handle that we're working on, and it's been years since I used this, and of course that is broken, and evidently I forgot to fix it or actually replace it, so now I just need to fix it. I'm going to try and grind it flat and then taper the ends and see if that works. If it works, I'm back in business. Okay, I just wanted to countersink that in case that screw goes past the carbide. Okay, I didn't have any cutting oil, so I used my mineral oil that I always use for my regular threads for ebonite. It doesn't get too hot, and it's only a short area, so it shouldn't affect it at all. It's better than doing it dry, I guess, but it'll still work. Looks like it's working out well. There. So that was a nice save, and saved probably 10 bucks. Not bad. So just need to take this over to the drill or the grinder and round off that edge and on the bottom, and then I'll just polish it up, and then we are done. At the bench grinder, I want to take my new cutter that I'm making here. I want to round the bottom like we did on this one. So, and then the screw that's protruding out, I want to grind that off at the same time. That's why I have the cutter head installed. Okay, back at the lathe, we're going to polish this up and make this look really nice. Okay, so there we have it. I went back to the bench grinder, and about 3 inches down, I just roughed up that end a little bit because that's the end that's going to be inside the tool handle. I want that epoxy that I pour in there to be able to grip really good. So that is our tool handle, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Have a good day. Hey, this is Gabriel Castro. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. You can click on the link right here and subscribe. You can watch a video series right here or the latest video right here.